If you're always struggling to change the size of tracks in Premiere Pro, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you 4 methods to do this. First method, you need to bring your mouse at the divider until you see this icon and simply drag it to change its size. Same goes for the audio tracks. Second method, you can use these handles on the right side and move them up or down to change the size of all the audio or video tracks. Third method, you need to bring your mouse over this area of any track. Simply double click on it and it will change its size. Last method, you can use this handle to zoom in and out horizontally, or simply bring your mouse here and move your mouse wheel back and forth to zoom in and out. You can also move your mouse over this area. Press and hold the Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac. Then move your mouse wheel to increase the track size. So that's it guys, try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.